Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. The appellant was in the business of selling medicines, and many people had invested in the appellant's business with an understanding that regular profits would be paid to them by the appellant. Full stop. The appellant statedly continued giving profits to such investors for some time, but later on he stopped paying profits and allegedly refused to return the invested amounts to the relevant persons. Full stop. It was also alleged that many checks issued by him in favor of such investors had been dishonored. Full stop. New paragraph. With these allegations, reference number 4 of 2007 was filed against the appellant before Accountability Court number 2, Balochistan, Quetta, and after a regular trial, the appellant was convicted by the trial court for an offence under section 9(a)(x) of the National Accountability Ordinance 1999 and was sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for 4 years and to pay fine besides confiscation of a house standing in his name and disqualification for a period of 10 years. Full stop. New paragraph. The appellant challenged his conviction and sentence before the High Court through an appeal which was dismissed, and his conviction and sentence recorded by the trial court were upheld and maintained. Full stop. Hence, the present appeal by lieu of this court granted on 24 June 2019. Full stop. Leave to appeal had been granted in this case in order to reappraise the evidence, and with the assistance of the learned counsel for the parties, we have undertaken that exercise. Full stop. New paragraph. Agreements have been entered into between the appellant and some other persons. Investments made by such persons in the appellant's business and payment of profits by the appellant to them for some time are facts which are not denied by the parties to this case. Full stop. The appellant had throughout maintained that his liability was that of civil nature, particularly rendition of accounts, and not a criminal liability, because he never had any criminal intent to commit the alleged offense. Full stop.